Welcome to step 9, tables. We're going to be teaching you how to add tables to your website. Now there's a lot to learn about creating tables, and we're not going to attempt to teach you everything about tables, at least not in this lesson. We hope you feel confident by now of creating a website. The table we're going to teach here is going to be a table that includes your entire website. So let's introduce first the table tag. And then there are a few other tags to go along with that. The table row tag, the table data tag, and the table heading tag. Now I want to give you some examples of what the table does. So let's come up here and add a table data tag. This is my very first website. Close that table data and open a new one. I am making a table. Close it, and let's close the row. Okay, now let's create another row, table row tag. I already did the table data tag. This is my second row. Table data, close, open table data. This is my very first website. Close table data, close table row, and let's close the table, and we're done with that table. Now I'm going to show you what we have. Save it and refresh. Okay. Now that probably doesn't make a lot of sense. So let's add the border attribute in the table tag. Save it and refresh. Now you see what happens. Now with the border, there is a size value. Let's do the 6. Save it and refresh. Obviously it made the table bigger. So after that, you know now how to create a table, how to put a border on it, and how to change the border size. Now let's also change the color of the cells. So let's just do one cell. The table data, background color attribute, and let's make it red, FF0000. Save it and refresh. Okay, now it's red. Now that definitely can come in handy, but one thing I also want to throw in here is the table header. So the table header tag, and let's write, this is my header. Close it, we'll save it, and refresh. Now you see that's on the left side. We want to make that header take up the entire top of the table. So what we do is we add the colspan attribute. Let's do it 2 because there's 2 columns. Let's save it and refresh. Okay, now we don't want it in the middle for this particular thing, so let's add the align attribute and make it the left value. Save it and refresh. Okay, now you've gone over quite a bit. I want you to definitely practice some of those, and the next thing we're going to deal with is actually width, style, and cell padding attributes. They're quite simple. You put them in the table tag. We go width equals, let's do 75%. Style, and the value is height. Let's do 10%. And cell padding, which says how far you want the words from the border of the table. Let's do 10. Now you can mess around with these later. I definitely recommend it. Save, refresh. Now you see what happened. We made our table bigger. Now next is really what I want to do is help you and create a table for your entire website. I'm going to pause it and then show you what I've done. Okay, so I just did it. What I did is I just copied and pasted the table that I gave you on the website, which I'll pull up here. See, it's all highlighted. I copied and pasted from here, copied, highlighted it, and to there, and I copied it and I pasted it. Now these sections here are the comment tag. That helps me know where things are at. This is the header section, my first website, the navigation bar, the first heading, our favorite links, our first paragraph, our image, and our paragraph about the image. And that is all right there. I recommend you to use that or that style to create your very first website. I'll see you on the next lesson.